In this video, we'll talk about Zora. I gave you a really good call right here for a short yesterday, and all of the trades before that were also really good. And let me just show you some of them and what I think will happen. Right now, we took a long right here, we took a long right here, we took a long right here, and now we are in between moves. This is the reality of the situation. It's not a financial advice, by the way, but there's big amounts of basically longs with weak stop losses below this candle right here that I'm interested in tapping into. So the goal for this video would be to basically go ahead and mostly place longs because we just entered into the 45 EMA again, which by the way normally is a very good criteria for beautiful trades, for good trades, for good measure. So we're gonna go ahead and draw this out and set up alerts when we enter 7207. I'll be interested in starting to take longs. The only actual good confirmation I want is for longs for shorts to get closed, and that's basically how I'm planning to trade Zora. Here's some stats from my meme coin for portfolio: 262 grand here, 28 grand here. If you want to follow my trades, use the link in the description down below to sign up for my signals chat. This is how it looks like. Or my course. I have everything in the description. Right now I'm switching to BloFin. There's a special link in the description down below again, which you can use. It's a new user exclusive that gets you $30 bonus and 50% spot fee discount. Sign up now to check it out. Sign up to BloFin. I'm making the switch. This will only be available for 5 more days, so make sure you take advantage of that. Love you with all my heart. This video is no financial advice. Bye.